The resistance in the two arms of the meter bridge are 5 ohms and R ohms respectively. This is the meter bridge. If the two resistance are there, the first one is 5 ohms and the second one is R ohms. When the resistance R is shunted with an equal resistance, the new balance point is at 1.6 L1. The resistance R is what? What is this value we need to find here? Okay. Now, in first case, if I'm going to take 5 by R is equal to L1 divided by 100 minus L1. This is the case number 1. In case number 2, I will take, that is when R is shunted with an equal resistance R, and place it parallel to R, then we get 5 R by 2 is equal to 1.6 L1 divided by 100 minus 1.6 L1. Then, by equating the result of case 1 and case 2, by equating case 1 and case 2, we get 2 times 100 minus 1.6 L1, which is equal to 1.6 into 100 minus L1. Then, by simplify, 2 into 100 is 200 minus 3.2 L1 is equal to 160 minus 1.6 L1. Then, further simplified, 160 will come to this side, minus 3.2 will go to the RHS. Then, 40 is equal to 1.6 L1. Then, L1 is equal to 25 centimeter. If L1 is equal to 25 centimeter, then in any one of the equation, if we are going to substitute, then R, we get the value R is equal to 5 into 100 minus 25 divided by 25. By simplifying, this becomes 5 into 75 divided by 25. 3 times 5 into 3, 15 ohms is our answer. So option P is the right answer.